Hi there and welcome to today's practice. If you're new to this channel, my name is Yovana and today we have a practice to open our hearts. When I say open our hearts, this practice is suitable for you if you've been recently through any heartache, any heartbreak. So if you are dealing with some grief, maybe you are feeling lonely or you're feeling sad, or you just need this little self-love and centering yourself, opening your heart for yourself and maybe for others, then you are at the right place. Wear something comfy today and grab yourself a mat or a towel and let's begin. We will start today's practice on the top of our mat. Your feet is hip width apart, firmly pressed into the floor. Straighten your back. Stand up nice and tall. Open your palms and let's gently close our eyes and allow ourselves to arrive at this practice, to truly be here. Take a couple of slow inhales and long and slow exhales to release any thoughts, any tension that you might be holding before arriving to your mat. You can sigh it out through your mouth if you like. And then gently, slowly open your eyes. We will bend our knees slightly, raise our arms, and look up, straighten, lengthen your spine. Grab your left wrist with the right hand. Inhale to lengthen, and then we will exhale to bend towards the right. Inhale to center, we switch the arms, grab the right wrist, exhale to the left. Inhale, we come back, we do one more time each side. With the exhale, bend to the right. Inhale to the center and exhale to the left. Awesome. Release everything. Maybe move your shoulders a little bit to ease off. Awesome. We will inhale one more time and exhale. Bring it all down. Here I want you to allow yourself to let your upper body hang. I know it's metaphorical, but to allow yourself to be held and supported by the ground so you don't have to be gripping or holding in any muscles. Of course, you will feel the stretch of your hamstrings. Just allow your upper body to be pulled by gravity and just be there. Surrender to this pose. You can slightly sway side to side if you wish. Clasp your elbows and start moving left to right. Continue the breathing from the belly throughout the whole practice. And we find stillness. We hug our knees. If your knees are far, you can bend them. And then try to bring your belly to your knees. Give yourself a big, big hug. Awesome. Release the hands. Place the palms next to your feet. And we will step the right leg back first. Engage those legs and we rise up to high lunge. You can either stay on your back to lift it like this, or you can place them at 45 degrees. Try to have your hips facing forward, whatever is easier for you today. And then we will inhale here, rise our arms. Exhale, bend the elbows. Think of bringing them closer to each other as much as you can. And we start opening our heart slowly here. We inhale one more time. Look up if you like towards your hands. And then bring those elbows down. Open the palms. Open the chest and the shoulders. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Open the heart. Keep the legs engaged. And then bring those palms down. We interlace them behind our backs. We inhale to lengthen and then pull the palms down. Allow your shoulders to open. Your heart is shining forward. If you lose your balance, that's okay. Come back. Slowly and gently, we will start to descend our torso towards our left thigh, towards the mat. You can allow your palms to come forward with you. You're not slugging your body on your thigh. You are activating and engaging your left quadriceps, your left leg. You're engaging your core. You're holding yourself here. And then gently, you can release the arms to the mat. Place the left palm on the inner side of your left foot. And we will inhale. You can widen the stance here if you need. Open our chest to the side. The right hand is facing the ceiling. If you can, look towards the palm. If not, you can look in front of you, as long as you feel no pain in your neck. We bring it down. We place the right palm on the mat. We turn around, and we do the same on the other side. We rain everything down, and we step forward into forward fold. Allow your body to hang one more time. We inhale, halfway lift, your version. So your hands are either on the shins, on the thighs, or on the floor. And then from here, place your palms and let's step the left foot back. Voila. And let's step the left foot back. We are in high lunge on the left side. We inhale here, rise our arms, lengthen the spine. Exhale, gently lower the elbows, pull them towards each other and open your heart. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bend. And one last time. Inhale, exhale, bend. And release and interlace. We'll do the same on this side. Pull those arms down towards the ground and let your shoulders fall down and your chest open. If you can hold your balance here, you can try and look up. Allow your throat to open, your chest to open towards the sky. And then gently, we start lowering our body towards our thighs. Your hands can come together. Keep your balance engaged, those inner thighs, the quad. And then we gently release the palms. The right palm comes the inner side of the right foot. And we open our chest towards the sky. Stay strong here, breathe. We bring that palm down. Place the left palm and rotate to the right. We bring it down, and then this time we'll step both feet back and we'll lower ourselves to the ground. Whew. This was a little balancing game for our heart. Place your palms next to your shoulders. And we will inhale, engage the glutes in half cobra. Exhale to lower it down. Inhale. Tuck your elbows in, look forward. Exhale to lower it down. And one last time, inhale. And exhale, lower everything down. We are almost there, my friends. Your heart should be open now, your fire should be burning. And one last effort before we go to resting pose. Bend both of your knees, flex your feet. We will grab the elbows, we will grab the ankles. And here, you already know what we're going to do. We're going to do a bow pose. If this is already strenuous to you, try to lift the chest only. If it's too much, you can only lift the chest. If you can, we will inhale. Exhale, use the contraction, lift your legs, lift your torso, use your hands, engage your glutes, and we release. Awesome, release everything to the ground and find your way to lay down on your back. Here, I want you to place both of your palms under your bottoms. You're practically sitting on your palms. Your elbows are bent. Your toes are pointed. Find here the balance on your elbows. And then gently lower your head down to the ground. If you need to slide a little bit. We are in fish pose. If this seems too complicated to you, you can use a block or a pillow to support yourself. You can slide down your elbows a bit more and see how that feels. Provide some more space for your chest and your head to touch the floor. If your head is not touching the floor, that's okay. Just hang in there for a bit. And then release your body to the ground and remove the hands on the side. Let your feet face out, your palms are facing the ceiling. We are in our final resting pose, Shavasana. We're all professional at this one. Feel your body touching the floor, your heels, your calves, your thighs, your tailbone, your upper back, your hands, forehands, and your upper arms, forearms. Back of your head, feel everything sinking into the mat. Imagine you're laying down on the beach, in the sand, and think of where would your body leave the prints, how it would look like after you get up. Take your palms together and gently rub them to create some heat. And then place the left palm on your heart and the right palm on top of it. Feel that heat entering your heart. Use your inhale and breathing in, and exhale out. Release anything that needs to be released from your heart. Let's take this moment to be grateful for our love, for our hearts, for how strong we are. Grateful for showing up for ourselves today. Join me in placing your palms together in the prayer pose. And your thumb is on the third eye. We take one last inhale together. And exhale everything out. Thank you so much for joining me today in opening our hearts. And I hope to see you again on the mat. Namaste.